Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Let's make some homemade chicken nuggets in air fryer. That means no oil, no mess. So into a large bowl add some boneless chicken pieces, 1 boiled potato, 1 onion, ginger and garlic paste and 1 egg. Now add this to a blender and make it a nice fine paste. Into that add in some cornstarch, red chili powder, cumin powder, salt, pepper powder and mix it really well. Once all the spices are well mixed in, add in some all-purpose flour and mix it. When the consistency changes to a bit thicker, take small portions and make it into a nugget shape and add it to the air fryer. Now air fry these nuggets in 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes and around 10 minutes don't forget to flip the nuggets. And that's it. Our homemade super easy no oil chicken nuggets are ready. Enjoy it with any dip and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comments section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.